Nababahala po ang mga immigration consultants sa Alberta sa mas nagiging karaniwang pagbebenta ng Labor Market Impact Assessment. Bagamat iligal, marami pa rin nila ang kumakagat sa tinatawag na LMIA for Sale Scheme. May report si Paula Saraza.
Yung problema ng pagbibenta ng LMIA is medyo matagal na po. It's been there for so long. Naging malaking problema ngayon sa Alberta. It is because Alberta is quickly becoming yung #1 destination for newcomers.
Nababahala ang dumaraming registered immigration consultants sa lumalala umanong bentahan ng Labor Market Impact Assessment o LMIA sa Alberta. Ina-apply ng employer ang LMIA na isang federal document sa Employment and Social Development Canada o ESDC bago pwedeng tumanggap ng temporary foreign worker bilang empleyado. Sa website ng gobyerno sa ilalim ng ESDC, $1,000 kada isang manggagawa ang fee sa pag-apply ng LMIA, bayaring sagot dapat ng mga employer. Pero sa kumakalat na LMIA for Sale Scheme, ang mga TFW ang nagbabayad nito kapalit ng pagtatrabaho sa Canada.
The processing fee, again, to emphasize under Canadian immigration law, cannot be paid nor be recovered from the temporary foreign worker.
Naging madaling target ang mga TFW at international students sa nasabing scheme na madalas daw sangkot ang ilang recruitment agencies, employers, mga walang lisensyang consultant at ilang immigration professionals. Nakausap ng Omni News ang ilang registered immigration consultants sa Alberta na nagbahagi naman ng pagkabahala sa dumadaming insidente ng gawaing ito.
Sabihin natin naman na bawal, but there are sellers and there are buyers as well. So why it's thriving? And it's not something new.
Maraming nag-vlog na napakadaling pumunta sa Canada at mag-visit ka lang, magkakatrabaho ka na.
Anila umaabot sa halos $50,000 ang bentahan ng LMIA.
There's the desperation on the part of the applicants, and there is the opportunity for the employers to exploit the situation, and that's what's going on.
We're just starting to see it a lot more, only because there's a lot more newcomers coming. And so because there's a lot more people that are trying to come, there's a lot, unfortunately, there's a bigger kind of market, for this type of illegal activity.
Saksi naman ng Center for Newcomers sa umano'y pagkalat ng maling impormasyon na madaling nabibiktima ang mga bagong dating sa bansa.
They take away the rights of the employees. They'll tell them things like, they'll get here and they'll say, sorry, you now have to pay for this, this, and this. You now have to do this, this, and this. And so they garnish their wages. They create all kinds of problems for them. And then once they finally realize that this is a scam, then they have no way out.
Bagamat hindi na bago ang bentahan ng LMIA, mas naging kapansin-pansin ito matapos ang ipinatupad na temporary policy na pagbibigay opsyon sa mga turista o bisita lamang sa Canada na manatili at makapagtrabaho kung mabibigyan ng lehitimong job offer. Mapapaso ang nasabing temporary policy sa Pebrero 2025. Paula Saraza, Omni News, Toronto.